jug line set out. It's just beautiful down here. Right on, here we go. We are live. Y'all bees during. Whew! It's hot and I got my smoker going. Got my board, my spray. I'm going to show you how we get honey. Follow me. So I got my smoker going, so the first thing I'm going to do is get over here and smoke these bees. Give them a little smoke. I like to smoke the area around me a little bit. The new ones flying in and stuff. So give them a little smoke. And I wait about 5 minutes. I thought it'd take about 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, first thing I'm going to do is get back over here. I'm going to give them another little shot here. A little bit of smoke here. A little bit under this lid right here. Try to pop this lid up. Yeah, it should come off. Let's see what we got under here. No bees, no bees. And what I'm going to do now, you get stung. That's what I'm going to do now. I done got some mad bees here. Let's put a little smoke in the hole there. I got to get the top off this one. We do have bees flying now. Okay, y'all, we're going to get the top off this a little bit, see what's under here. You know what's under here. Give them a little. Now, what the smoke's going to do is run them down into the hive, because I'm going to take this off. Let me show y'all what we got here. If I can get it out. This is full of honey. See that? Both sides are completely full with honey. And we're going to take that inside. I'm going to show you how to get the honey out of there. First thing I want to do is get my board over here. Hey y'all, I'm back now. I got my fume board now. And what you do with a fume board, this is a fume board. Watch what I'm gonna do. The top of my sprayer bottle is broke. And I'm gonna squirt some of this on here. Okay, what this does, I don't know, the bees don't like the smell of it or something. And what happens is when I put this on that board here, I'm gonna put this on top right here. Let me give one more little shot of smoke. Okay, now I'm gonna put this fume board right here on top. I done squirt my stuff on it. I'm gonna set it right here. And we're gonna wait for 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to do this. And we're gonna wait about 5 minutes. And what this is gonna do is force the bees out of this. And Then I'm gonna take the bees and bring them up front where the hive top right here. Gonna bring it up in the kitchen right there, and we're gonna get the bees out of them. All right. We definitely got the bees flying right now, don't we? They're about all gone, y'all. So what I'm gonna start doing is breaking that loose. Get my hive tool here. Break that loose. And we're gonna smoke the next box. Alright, got that one off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this over here. All full of honey. Yay. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the fume board while I run this other one back. I'm gonna set this fume board right on top of it. So by the time I get back in a couple minutes, all this fume board will run these bees down in here. So I'll be right back. I gotta carry these things way over here. Let me pull the fume board off and take a look. We still got some bees on here. That's all right though. Give them a little extra, little smoke. All right, let that sit there a minute. Got my little screwdriver. I'm gonna break the next box loose right here. Put my hive tube under it. Oh, give me a little squirt under here. I'm gonna move this whole box right over here. Here's kind of light. Clean that up a little bit. This all looks pretty good in here. So this best thing I could do is stick this back on top, the board. And I'm through with this one. I won't have to probably through with this one until after winter. Clean up some of this a little bit. Put the top back on it. And we're through with this one. Okay. We're gonna give these a little more smoke. You open this up here. I bet nobody seen what I did with my little screwdriver. Well, give me a little smoke here. I ought to run them down some. Oh yeah. Okay, now what I'll do, I'm gonna take my fume board and I'm gonna take the fume board and squirt some more of this juice on it, whatever it is. Something the bees don't like. I know that. Then I'm gonna take the fume board and I'm gonna put it on top, just like I did the other one. All right. I'm gonna set it here for about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna carry the other one. Yeah. I'm gonna carry this one in the shed here. All right, y'all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start taking the top off of this one. I done put my board on top of it. Just gonna crack the top here and see what happens. Oops, I lost my screwdriver again. I have to go around the whole thing, make sure they're good and loose. Okay, I'm looking here and I see nothing in here, one bee. We're gonna take that as a good deal. Wow! These are gonna stop full. We put the board back on this one just a minute. Boy, we got some honey in these, I ain't kidding. They are slap full. I'm getting them stirred up, ain't I? Y'all notice I found out if you be kind of calm around these bees, which I'm trying to be pretty calm. And look at that. That's some good stuff, y'all. Pretty calm. It kind of calms the bees down, and they're not as aggressive. That's why I don't wear nothing when I'm fooling with my bees. Okay, I'm putting this back on top of here, my fume board, and I done sprayed it. But we're gonna let this one sit a little longer, a few minutes, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna bring this one where it gotta go. Oh, this is heavy, y'all. This way it tilts, y'all. All right, y'all, we got this one sitting. I think this is gonna be the last one to take off. So we're gonna take this off, loosen it up. It's heavy too, I feel it. All right, we're gonna take the top off. Oh golly, this is heavy. All right, y'all. Whew. And that's gonna be it for this, y'all. I'm gonna carry these on up front. I'm gonna put the tops back on here. Now I won't have to fool with that until this spring. Probably I'll put some more boards on top of it, and that'll be it for the year for this one. All right, y'all, we're fixing to go in the honey room and start spinning honey. We're in the kitchen, so y'all hang on. We're gonna show you how to do that.